Dear students, today I am going to discuss one question from geometry related to medians. The question is, so that the sum of any two medians of a triangle is greater than the third median. The solution is, so let's know the definition of a median. What is a median? A line segment joining vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side is called median of the triangle. Now the given is here triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, we find the medians are AD, BE, and CF. AD the median, so BC is bisected in two equal parts, BD and DC. By single stroke, it has been shown that BD equals to BC. B is the median, so by double stroke, it has been shown that A equals to BC and E is the midpoint of AC and B is the vertex and its opposite side is AC, and that's why B is the median as E is the midpoint and A equals to AC. In the same way, CF is the median, and by triple stroke, AF and BF are made equal and F becomes the midpoint, so CF is the median. Okay, now we have to prove that AD plus BE greater than CF, B plus CF greater than AD, CF plus AD greater than BE. That means sum of two medians is greater than the third median. Now for this we do one construction. This AD is produced up to K such that AZ equals to ZK. Okay, and then we join B to K and C to K. Okay, now proof. In triangle ABK, F and G are the midpoints of AB and AK respectively. Therefore, FG is parallel to BK, that is GC is parallel to BK. And from the midpoint for theorem, we know this, that in a triangle, if two midpoints are joined, then that line which is joining the midpoints will be parallel to the third side. Okay? And FG and GC are concurrent. That means they lie, F, G, C are collinear points. They lie on the same line. That's why if FG is parallel to BK, GC will be also parallel to BK because FG lies on FC and FG and GC are concurrent. That's why GC is parallel to BK, and that's why we can say similarly we can say that BC is parallel to KC, and so BKCG is a parallelogram. And we know that in a quadrilateral, if opposite sides are parallel, then the quadrilateral becomes a parallelogram. And in parallelogram, we find that opposite sides are equal. So BK equals to GC. Okay. And now in triangle BKG, we find BG plus GK is greater than BK because the sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. So BG plus AG is greater than GC. Why? Because GK equals to AG and BK equals to GC. And after that, we know that medians divide each other in 2:1 ratio. That's why BG plus G equals to B. That means 2 plus 1 equals to B, that is 3. And that's why we can write that BG equals to 2 by 3 BE. And similarly, AG equals to 2 by 3 AD. So here in place of BG we are writing 2 by 3 BE. And in place of AG we are writing 2 by 3 AD. And in place of GC we are writing 2 by 3 CF. And then 2 by 3 we are taking common. Then here we are left with B plus AD greater than 2 by 3 CF, and 2 by 3 from both sides is cancelled, and then we are left with B plus AD is greater than CF. This implies AD plus B is greater than CF. And similarly, it can be proved that B plus CF is greater than AD and CF plus AD is greater than B. So, quod erat demonstrandum, that means QD has proved. This was only to be proved. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.